Market will not leave any stone unturned in showcasing that it is supreme. And this is what happened today, guys. Welcome to the channel, guys. Let me share my EOD analysis with you for 21st of September. Market did not go as per our plan completely, but we don't do prediction trading. We do chart based trading. And as soon as we saw that market is not going according to the plan, we actually changed the plan and we changed the way we were trading and took different trades altogether. Let me share with you all the details. Starting with the EOD analysis, uh, we are taking Nifty here, and it actually started with a gap up and took support somewhere here in the CPR and started going down. Guys, till here, this move was quite predictable that market will go down. However, market took support on this level, and this level support was so strong that it took such a sharp recovery from here and started going in the opposite direction. And the opposite direction was so strong, the force was so strong, the buyers were so many that actually they broke the CPR. Today, CPR was giving pure, strong resistance. However, it managed to broke this one, middle one, and the third one, and broke. And actually, it broke this first resistance also, R1 also. And same thing happened in Nifty also. Market started as expected, gave a small gap up, Bank Nifty. Market started with gap up. However, it took this resistance from the middle CPR pivot point and started going down as expected. It was going down. However, this support was so strong, it actually broke support 1, support 2, and till here the market was going as per our expectation. But I told you we don't do prediction trading or news driven trading. The news were actually saying the market will go down, and anyways market was weak. However, we focused, and this is actually good for people who are actually doing chart based trading, because market can turn anywhere anytime. So what can we do if we are doing a news driven trading? We are stuck in the middle. We don't know what to do. However, in this scenario, which was, I mean, it was a beautiful learning experience for everyone. These are the days when you learn more. If it was a trending day, the whole day it was trending upside or downside, what you will learn in that? This is a day when you will learn a lot of things, and this is what we are sharing right now. This strong, huge, strong support came from actually, if you can see 30 minutes Bank Nifty chart. See, guys, this support, this support actually came from a weekly version CPR. Let me give you a line here. Just a second. Let me draw a line here. See, guys, this, if you can see this, if you can see this, this line actually, this is a virgin CPR line actually. For good 7-8 days market did not move. It actually went in a complete zone, the range bound market. And this is where the bottom CPR, bottom virgin CPR, it actually took support, and the support was so tremendous that it actually gave a reversal. Look at this, look at these candles, guys. These candles, so strong candles, full body candles, and great support, and market took a reversal from here. Evergrande Chinese real estate problem is still there. Market is expecting a downside move. However, there is a Fed meet also in the US. See, actually, what happened? I'll tell you. Evergrande is a real estate company, and in real estate, when the real estate market, Chinese real estate market is going down, definitely what it will hit, how the real estate is made. One of the strongest sector is metal. The metal sector is going down. This is the reason metal sector was going down yesterday. And in India stock market also, the metal sector went down. So when the metal sector is going down, actually it went down. Somewhere Tata Steel actually came down till 10%, and the market was so down. The metal sector market was tremendously down. However, today a lot of people took this as an opportunity and started buying in metal sector. The recovery actually came from the metal sector, the major recovery. So there are a lot of buyers who have actually entered after this yesterday's correction, and this is where the buying started. And look at the buying, guys. The buying was tremendous. So, like I told you guys, we don't do prediction trading, we do chart based trading, and you should not feel awkward that your prediction is going wrong. We are not market manipulators or market driving people. We are actually trading as per the trend, as per what market says. So if market is saying that it is giving a certain direction, we'll go in that direction. And after some time, if market is saying that we are not taking this direction, we'll go in the opposite direction. So you should not hesitate. You should actually follow the market. Same thing happened today, guys. We should take this as a very good learning point, that do not stick to one plan. If you are thinking the market will go in certain direction, do not think of taking trades in a certain direction only. Even if the market is reversing, but you are keeping those trades with you, thinking that no, market will come down, and this is where a lot of people take losses. If you are bullish and market is bullish, very good. And as soon as market turn into bearish, change your trades. Straight away change your trades. Don't stick to the old plan. Change your plan quickly. Um, that's it for today, guys. I think the next 2 days will be very important for the market. The Fed meet in US will decide a lot of things. However, the world markets are improving, but the Evergrande crisis is still not over, and we'll see in couple of days what conclusion market will come up with and the results, and that is how we will plan our trades accordingly. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Market will not